Hello and welcome back, everyone. I did stream this on Twitch and now we're just trying to catch up of what's going on. So just to catch everybody up, we were making eyeballs for Zone's Chibi and I feel like we need to update it just a little bit. So I really do like the color combination with this, but I feel like it's not flowing correctly of how I want it to look for Chibi eyes. Oh, come on! Don't get me wrong, really pretty eyes, it was a good practice, but I still like this a little more. It's a little bit more cheerful and kind of fits into the theme of Chibi's style, I think is what I'm trying to explain. Normally they do have bigger eyes, but again, I'm trying to make this my own to the best of my ability. Here's where we're going to start with is I'm going to go ahead and go back to my original eyes that I had. Obviously change the color with them, just kind of update it a little bit more. I do have a tendency to trace a lot, and that's what's helped me to draw in order to get better. And we're also going to add some hair in there and adjust his beard, you know, to make him more like his facial features, and also a little bit with some cartoons. So let me see what I can do here.